That's our parking. This one, like this. Yeah. Hello guys, how are you? So today is a sunny day and I am going to yet another inspection, and also today I am going to some agent's office, the real estate agent's office, because it's almost my second week and I haven't got a house yet. Too much rush right now in Adelaide, so let's see how it goes. And in this video I will also tell you what are the ways to get a house for rent, what are the options for you. So let's begin.
A few moments later.
So guys, here we are. I'm in Train Mare for like yet another inspection. So let's see how is the house and then we'll meet after that. That's our parking. This one, like this. Yeah. So guys, this is like my fifth inspection, and I got this form and it was a good house. Let's see how it goes. So guys, the house is very big. The only problem is it has a very big front yard and the backyard, and we have to maintain it, so it's a hard job. Otherwise the rent is very good. Rent is only 300 and it's 4 BHK, so it's very good price. It's just about the front yard and the backyard. So let's see how it goes. So guys, now I will inform you about the process for renting a house, what are the options we have and what process we have to go through. I'll show you the form as well as the name of the agents available. So I'll go somewhere quiet and share everything with you. So guys, here I am in a park, and now I'll tell you the options you have to rent a property. So there are mainly two options. Either you can go directly to the owner by Facebook or Gumtree or any other reference you have and meet them and decide the lease and stuff like that. And the other way, which is the most popular way, is to go to rent a property by an agent. So there are many real estate agencies who work for it. You can go on the websites like realestate.com, domain.com, some applications like Roomsters and Rent, or you can visit the nearby office of the selected agent. The top agencies here in Adelaide I've heard are LJ Hooker, Ray White, Fox, Harris, Turner, etc. There are many more. There are some bigger ones and the smaller ones, so you can just go on the internet and check it out and you'll get to know the list of all the agents. So you can search out the property either online or offline by meeting the agent. So either you can go online or go in the office to get the list of the property, and then whichever property you are interested in, you have to book an inspection for that. And after the inspection, if you like the house, you can apply for the lease of that house, So you have to fill a form which is called a tenant form, so which is either online or offline. I just booked an inspection today, and then he gave me this form. So this is the form which I have to fill up and then scan it to his email address. So this is the application form for the lease which you have to submit to the agent, and then they will decide if they want to give you this house for rent or not. So I'll show you what details there are inside.
The next day.
I'll show you an example what an application form looks like. So let's check it out. What's in there. So we'll need to provide rent reference, verification of the employment or source of income, photo identification, either driver's license or the passport, and signed authorization to allow them to check the reference. So this is written. The IDs which are allowed is driver's license, passport, birth certificate, Medicare, wage slip, and bank statements that we have to attach. And then all the conditions are written in here. So generally it has this information. I will show you what is it. So it's the information about the property. So now it's about how many if there are two applicants, it is the column for two applicants. It's your name, surname, occupation, email ID, date of birth, mobile phone. So the basic information. After that you have to tell them your current address, and also if you have any previous address you have to note it down. Then you have to tell them about your employment, its name, address, phone number, and position. Also you have to say your length of service. I hope you can see. You have to tell them the length of service and your income. If you have other income source, you have to write it down. Also you have to give them the rental history, your reason of vacating the premises, the name, address, and phone number of relatives, like it's like an emergency contact. You have to tell them if you have pets or not, and the full name and age of all people who will be residing at the property. So if you have like 5 people residing, you have to write down all of their name. And so with this form we have to attach the supporting document. With this form we have to attach the supporting documents like the passport, the employment letter, or the pay slip, bank statements, driver license, whatever you have to attach it, and you have to give it to them. If it's online, you have to just upload it and email them, and in this case I will have to scan them all and send an email to their email ID. Then they will review our application, and then they will decide if they should give it to us or not, because right now the demand is higher than the supply. The owner and the agents have an upper hand, so we have to wait for it. And if we get selected, they will tell us to get the bond, and then we'll start living there. So it's like this. It's a very complicated process. It's a long-term process. So like it's my second week in Adelaide, but I haven't got any house. We have got one house, but we rejected it, and after that we haven't got anything. So let's hope this time we get it. So I'll fill up the form, and then I'll give it to them, and let's see how it goes. If I get it, I will update you guys. If you have any question regarding this all, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I will try to help you guys. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I provided some value to you guys. So like and subscribe if you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, and connect with me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.